At present, we all know how to create a ChatGPT account by utilizing a Google account or Microsoft account or iCloud account. Now, in this session, we will learn what are the features of ChatGPT and what are the benefits of ChatGPT, and finally, we will see what are the limitations of ChatGPT. All right. OpenAI has trained with large language models that are very good at understanding our queries and generating tests. Our API provides access to these models and can be used to solve virtually any task that involves processing language. Now, I will show you how to chat with the GPT to answer all our queries to generating the text. Now, let me go back to my browser and then I'm going for the UI, that is openai.com, and then I'm going to click on login. Once you are going to provide your username and password, it will goes to platform.openai.com/apps. There are three types of things that you can see. One is ChatGPT, another one DALL-E, another one API. Now, to interact with the ChatGPT, to answer all our queries or to generate a text for our queries, we're going to use ChatGPT, which are interacting with our flagship language models in a conversational interface. Let me click on ChatGPT, which it will redirect to chat.openai.com. Now, if you see, there are few examples are available, like explain quantum computing in simple terms, got any creative ideas for a 10 years old birthday, right? And you can see the capabilities and limitations of the chat GPT. Now, to interact with the chat GPT, there you are having an option called new chart. You can see over here, if you had any charts, you can have the entire history over here. All right. Now, to interact with the chart GPT, I'm going to click on new chart. And then over here, you can see, I'm going to dialog box over here or text over here to send a message. Now, to make you understand, I'm just going to give it what is chart GPT. This is my query to interact with the chat GPT, right? When you click on send, if you see over here, chat GPT is giving a generated text for us as an answer. My question is what is chat GPT, right? And then you can get the answer over here in such a way in the generating text format. You can see chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI and so on, which it will give the answer over here. Now let me try another message over here. What is .NET? This is my query over here. If you see, it is trying to get the data by connecting to the chat GPT based on the different language models, and it will give our solution. Right there, you can see this is our request kind of thing and response over here. It is trying to generate our response. Once you have given the entire thing, you can see over here, it will be stored in the history format. Now, if I want to write a code to send SMS using .NET. Now, if you see over here, certainly below is an example of code snippet that demonstrate how to send an SMS using .NET using Twilio API. It's using by one of the API. And there you can see, you can get all the C# code over here. And then if you want, you can go ahead and you can simply copy the code by clicking on copy. And then you can go ahead and you can make sure that you know what are the details are there. It will be giving you over there. In such a way, you're going to interact with the ChatGPT or different language models to process the language by using ChatGPT. This is the user interface, which how it will looks like. All right. I hope you understand how to interact with the ChatGPT by using new chart over here. Now we'll see what are the features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is written in GPT 3.5 language technology, which is generative pre-trained transformer technology with an artificial intelligence model made by OpenAI. If you see, there are the features of ChatGPT. First one is the conversational communication, dynamic responses, comparative data and ranking based responses, and you will get in-depth responses from the ChatGPT. And also it responds to each and everything you will ask as a query. And also it is based on more than 300 billion words fed in the database. Whatever the thing that you are having, it will get from the database with the large language models. And you can see it is having continual learning even as it answers, eventually getting trained to outcome up with the better answers each time. Now, whenever you are going to ask a question and answers, the responses are very faster based on the ranking base, and also you will get the better answer based on training models over there. All right, and you can see they are having 300 billion words fed up in the database from the chart GPT. These are all the features which we are having for the chart GPT. Now we'll see what are the benefits of chart GPT. There are a few main benefits of ChatGPT. One is ability to understand and respond to a wide range of language inputs. Second one, the ability to learn and improve over time. Third one, enabling rapid application development. These are the three main benefits that we are having for the ChatGPT. Along with the benefits and features of ChatGPT, we are also having some limitations of ChatGPT. There are few limitations are there. One is the size of database, which are crafting personal marketing, social media, and technical sales content, which includes text, images, and videos, which are creating assistant aligned to the specific business such as retail, which is having to the size of the database. And there is one more limitation that is pre-trained models we are having, resource intensive, timeline, cost, the complexity of the facts. These are all the limitations of the chart GPT. All right.